Your Smart Garage Control is able to pair with a Yale LiftMaster Smart Lock so you can lock and unlock a door using the myQ app. If you started out by pairing your garage door opener to the Smart Garage Control, you'll need to follow these steps to get your smart lock connected. There are two ways to control the smart lock using the myQ app. The first is local control using the Bluetooth signal from your phone when you're within range of the lock. The other way is from anywhere through the internet using a Wi-Fi connection. For this, you'll need to install the LiftMaster Smart Garage Control within Bluetooth range of the lock, but we'll talk more about that later. Only follow the steps in this video after you have installed the lock hardware, completing all the steps in the fold-out installation manual. If you need help with that, visit support.chamberlaingroup.com and search for the Yale LiftMaster Lock installation video. For this demonstration, we've installed the lock on the door that leads into the garage. The steps we'll walk through in this video apply to both the lever and deadbolt style locks. In this overview, we'll cover preparing the lock for setup in the myQ app, setting up local control for the lock. Then we'll show you how to pair the lock to the Smart Garage Control. Follow the progress menu at the bottom of the screen to see where you are at in the setup, or if you need to go back and watch a step over again. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the Quick Start Guide for instructions and safety information. Let's check a few things before we get started. First, you need to know your master code. Your lock may have been installed by someone else, so you may need to set up the master code now for the first time. Follow the steps for the style of lock you have installed. For a deadbolt lock, touch the touchscreen. Touch the gear. Enter a PIN code that is between 4 and 8 digits long. Touch the gear. Now touch the screen to complete handing. That's it. For a lever lock, press the gear button. Press 1. Press the gear button. Enter a PIN code that is between 4 and 8 digits long. Press the gear button. Your master code is set. Try it out. The lock will unlock. Now, enable Bluetooth on your mobile device. Enable location services on your mobile device. It's time to set up your smart lock in the myQ app so you can control it locally using your phone's Bluetooth. Open the myQ app and sign in. On the home screen, tap the plus. Select Device from the pop-up menu. Choose the smart lock. Tap the type of lock that you have installed. We'll choose the deadbolt lock. Confirm that your lock is already installed by tapping Lock is installed. You'll be reminded about a few things you'll need: a strong Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth enabled on your phone, and your phone and lock need to be within Bluetooth range. Tap Next. Remove one battery. Tap Next. There's a 10-digit serial number located on the network module. Enter the 10-digit serial number in the myQ app, then tap Done. The app may prompt you to insert your network module. This should already be in place from when you followed the lock installation instructions. If it isn't, insert it now with the connector facing into the lock. Now, go ahead and reinstall the battery. Put the battery cover back on. Tap Next. Manually make sure your lock is in the locked position. For a deadbolt lock, touch the screen to make the numbers appear. For both lever and deadbolt locks, enter the master PIN code, then press the gear icon. Press 7, then press the gear icon again. Now press the red back arrow twice. The lock will respond. Tap Next. The app will work on discovering your lock. Your lock's 10-digit serial number will show up on the Discovered screen. Tap the lock. Let's name your lock. You can either choose a pre-named lock from the list or tap Custom to create your own personalized lock name. Tap Next. Your lock will be added to your account. This may take a few moments. Local setup is complete. You will be given the option to continue with Wi-Fi setup. We have already set up the Smart Garage Control with a garage door opener. Tap Yes, let's get it online. Your Smart Garage Control Hub will be listed in the app. Tap your hub. The devices will be paired. It may take a moment. When pairing is successful, tap Next. You'll be reminded to make sure your hub is installed within Bluetooth range of the lock. Tap Done. Your new lock is now listed on the devices screen. Tap the icon to control your lock. For more information, visit support.chamberlaingroup.com. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster.